Hello students, welcome to chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss about chemical kinetics, unit number 7. The subtopic is rate of chemical reaction. Rate of chemical reaction. Here, rate means what? Rate is nothing but speed. Rate is nothing but speed. Speed means what? Speed is nothing but, in physics already we learned about speed in physics. Displacement by time taken. Rate means what? Here, rate is nothing but change in the concentration of reactants or products by time taken. That is rate. Okay, rate is nothing but change in the concentration of reactants or product by time taken. Okay students, now here we consider one general equation. A is a reactant. A is a reactant. B means product. Product is a general reaction. We consider the concentration. Concentration is number of moles present in a liter. A is one of the reactant. We consider concentration of A, the square bracket A. B, concentration of B is square bracket of B. Now rate. Here concentration is decreases. Concentration of the reactant decreases, so we consider negative sign. We put negative sign here. So rate is equal to change in the concentration of the reactants by time taken. Negative sign for concentration is decreases. Okay. Now rate is equal to A2 minus A1. How? The general reactant A, initial concentration consider A1, after time A2. Now A2 is less than A1 means, here A2 is less than A1 means, now negative sign A2 minus A1 by T2 minus T1 equal to, the concentration is changed here. Delta sign indicated concentration is changed. So change in the concentration we consider, or we indicated delta sign. Delta A, concentration A. Time also changed. So changing means delta T. Here concept A2 less than A1, we put negative sign. But the product side, concentration of product is increases. So no need minus sign here. In general, your graph, you draw the graph. Concentration of reactant is decreases per unit time. So decreases, but concentration of it is reactant. Product, concentration of the product increases with time. So concentration of the reactant decreases per time. Concentration of the product is increases. So no need a negative sign here. Okay students, next topic, unit of rate of reaction. Unit. How will you find out a unit of rate? Unit of concentration of reactant by unit of time taken. We already know that concentration can be measured number of moles by liter or volume. Liter. So time, unit for time is second, can be measured seconds or minutes, hours, days, years. So unit of rate is equal to moles per liter inverse second inverse. We already know that number of moles present in a liter by time taken, time here measured seconds. So very important one more question. Unit of rate mole liter inverse second inverse. Okay students, next topic, the stoichiometry. Stoichiometry is nothing but the study about balanced equation. Reactant is equal to product, product is equal to reactants. Both are a balanced equation, which means stoichiometry. Stoichiometry is the study about balanced equation, which means chemical reaction and rate of reaction. Now we consider A. A means reactant gives 2B, 2 moles of products are obtained here. How to write rate equation? We already know that rate is means change in the concentration. The delta sign can be denoted D. Differentiate in mathematical term, differentiate with the concentration of B, because the positive sign indicates concentration of the product increases. Increases means positive sign. So D of B by dt. Time also differentiate. And 2 moles, because compared to A and B, B 2 moles decreases and A 2 moles increases, because this is product, this is a reactant, another one product. So positive sign is indicates increases on the concentration, negative sign indicates decreases in concentration. So the 2 moles of D of A by dt. So now rate is equal to minus, another way can be measured in the rate. Minus means the concentration of reactants decreases, so minus sign D of concentration A by dt, and 1 by 2, here the 2 moles of D of A decreases, that's why, so 1 by 2 2 come here, so 1 by 2 D of B by dt. Okay, this is important one mark for the rate determination method. Next one, x moles of A and y moles of B gives L moles of C and M moles of D. For this equation, how to write rate equation? Rate, already know that the x moles of 1 by x moles of decreases, negative sign for concentration decreases, so minus 1 by x D of A by dt is equal to minus this also reactant, so reactant side all the terms come for minus only, so minus 1 by y D of B by dt. So next side is a product side. Product, we know that concentration of the product increases, so positive sign 1 by L moles of D of C divided by dt, and positive sign, and D also product, so positive sign 1 by M moles of dt by D of D by dt. Okay students, so the next book back 7th question, one more question. Rate is equal to K. This is a rate law. Rate law is nothing but the concentration of the rate constant and concentration of rate constant into the product of concentration of reactant and rate constant. Okay, now how will you find out the unit for the particular reaction? Okay students, now rate is equal to rate law. Rate law is nothing but rate constant, product of rate constant and concentration of the initial concentration of the reactant. So rate is equal to K into K. K is nothing but rate constant. Concentration of reactant A power N. So normal rate equation, this is reactant, so negative sign. Concentration of the reactant decreases, so negative sign. D of A divided by dt. We already know that general unit for reactant is mole liter inverse second inverse. This is a general equation for the unit mole 1 minus mole power 1 minus n liter power n minus 1 second inverse. Here this equation n means 3 by 2 because the acetone, the concentration power is 3 by 2. So n is equal to 3 by 2 in the concentration of K into acetone 3 by 2. So substituting n value 1 minus n, where n is equal to 3 by 2, n minus 1 3 by 2. So mole 3 by 1 minus 3 by 2 means minus 1 by 2. So mole power minus 1 by 2 liter power 1 by 2 second inverse. That is a unit of rate is equal to K into acetone. Okay students, we will meet next class. Thank you.